Guys, what's up? It's Mark. I hope you like the video coming up right here. I want to give a big shout out to a fellow YouTuber and subscriber, Corey's Lifestyle. What's up, brother? Thanks for watching. Check it out. Three, two, one. Am I rolling? Oh, I've been rolling? Okay. Guys, what's up? It's Mark. How's everybody doing? I got two special surprises for you today, okay? Number one, you can see it right here behind me. Hope you like the video. It's an awesome truck with super duper kick-ass low mileage. 73,000 miles on this truck right here. Guys, check it out. This is Mark. This, my friend, is a 2005 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Z71. Four-door short bed. Awesome truck. Rough country suspension lift kit. Rockstar wheels. And check this out. Nitto. These are a 295 70 18-inch Nitto Trail Grappler MT tire. Super aggressive tire. Not too much road noise. We had to trim a little bit on the front valance of the truck right here. Full turn right, full turn left, but you can see there's barely any full turn. You know, just a tiny corner, if that, but we shaved it off to look super nice and very clean, and we're proud of it. Truck has, like I said, it's been in the family for 4 years now. We've owned this truck prior a couple of years ago, but 5.3 liter V8 engine, super clean inside and out. It's got some tasteful mods to it, like a Flowmaster dual exhaust system. I think it's 40 series or 44 series dual chamber Flowmaster mufflers. Let's take a walk around the truck real quick while I tell you a little bit about it. The front is super clean. You can see the miles resembles, keep on walking over here. You can see that the miles resembles how clean this truck is. It's just immaculately clean. And I've been hot as hell, so I'm probably gonna take my coat off because we got done detailing this and it's just been one of those days. It's really hot. And
Hey! I'm sleeping back here!
Where have you been for 3 months?
What are you doing?
Where have you, guys? Oh,
Let me sleep!
What the heck? Oh, guys, this is my second surprise. Welcome back, Noah! Noah's back. Hey, Bum, come here. He's going back to his trash can. Guys, check it out. Look who's back. It's Noah, everybody. It's Noah.
What's up, guys?
Back in action. Give me back my coat.
Yeah, you're cold now, ain't you?
A little bit. Chilly Willy. Look at these. Cut some glass over here, boy.
Man,
all right, so guys, let Noah take you to the interior. Check it out.
Guys, check out the beautiful interior on this truck. Awesome shape. Carpet's in awesome condition. Seats in awesome condition. Dash in awesome condition. No cracks up here. Beautiful black. I mean, it just pops. Shines.
It's got a Bose. Guys, when you're looking at a truck like this, back in the day, these trucks came still kind of ahead of its time, but you know, all American straight up country to be with it. With that said, it's got a Bose speaker system, bone stock factory in it. And the best part of all, it's got a, I want to say this is a Springfield Armory gun holder right there. So it's got the guy before had a cool little mount right there, holster for a gun. And Mountain, can you see it? Let me film this holster. Check it out. We are at 3 minutes, so we're gonna kind of type down a little bit. That's it right there. And show you the miles, ready? 73,920 miles. JVC, single DIN head unit system, AC blows, ice cold, heat works great. The roof is clean. There's nothing really, well, there's a spot right there, Noah, you missed. And then let's get some blue LED lights in the back. Look how clean it is. The factory door moldings are still here. No rust in the door jambs. And biggest and most of all, there's the VIN number. Biggest and most of all, what's the most famous spot for these trucks?
Cab corners and rocker panels.
That's right, cab corners and rocker panels right here. Absolutely no rust at all in the cab. No rust at all in the rocker. Here's underneath of the truck, guys. No rust at all. Maybe surface dust. You guys are gonna be like, oh, there's rust, I see it. Oh no, it's not. There's a, let me get low and dirty with you guys. Boom, factory sticker. Look at that. It's just clean setup. It really is. I'm truly impressed by this truck. The interior is nice. Everything. We're going to end this video here in a minute as soon as I pop the hood. 4-wheel drive, horn works, steering wheel's not abused at the top, so you can see the miles resemble that. All power, everything. Turn signals incorporated in the mirrors. Pop this hood, Noah. God, it's so good to have you back. Man, we missed Noah, guys, didn't we? Rough country suspension lift right there. Boom! RCX. Here's the, it's missing the cover right there, the engine cover, but it's not, doesn't compromise the drivability of the truck, so don't get stressed about it. Battery's pretty, looks pretty relevant and new. It's all clean, fluids are all good. Brand new oil change that I did, inspection, and it's just an overall great truck, guys. It really is. Super nice truck. Let's check. People are gonna be like, oh no, people are gonna be like, you're gonna show us one side of the driver's side cab corner rocker panel, but you're not gonna show us the other side. So let's go look on the other side. We're gonna, oh, look at that, no rust. Right. Cab corner, good, check. Rocker panel, good, check. And we'll look behind it even if you guys think we're lying to you to see if it's got any body work, because you'll be able to tell right here if it's been mended or patched or what have you. Not today, guys, nope. Super, super clean truck. All right, there you go. Hope you guys liked the video. For further information, holler at us. Check out the link below right here. You're gonna see lifted 2005 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Z71. Click the actual link, drop it down. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, give us a thumbs up because we love you. And most of all, keep on riding high and doing burnouts and launches and videotape it and send it to us and put it on your channel. I'll subscribe to you guys and we'll do stuff back and forth. Until then, peace out. Holler at you. No, give him a thumbs up and drive off. Show him how the truck sounds.
You have the keys, buddy.
Oh, well, there you go. We're at 6 minutes. Light it up, dog. Oh, look at it. He takes his shoes. Oh, you dropped the keys? I have to buy a new key fob. Bum. So check out how this truck sounds, guys. It sounds pretty tough. You probably heard the beginning of the video. This is a startup. Ready? Hit it. Bye-bye. See you guys later. Thanks for watching.